Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, in the MOSFET amplifier of the figure, is the signal output V1 and V2 obey the relationship of what? So here we have four different relationships. We are going to find out the relationship in terms of AC. So when we consider AC, this one will be treated as ground, and also this side is already ground, right? So this is ground, and the current through this drain is going to be drain current, that's ID, and the same current is going to flow through. Let's use a different color. So this is ID. The same current is going to flow through here. Okay, so the current through RD resistance and RD by 2 resistance is going to be the same current. Okay, now let's look at what this V1 is. If you look at V1 is nothing but the voltage across the drain, the difference between voltage across the drain and the ground. Okay, if we take this path here, if we take the opposite direction, the voltage across the drain and the ground is going to be what? V1, that's going to be equal to negative, since we are assuming the opposite direction, because if it's drain to ground, it's going to be opposite direction, right? So this is going to be negative ID multiplied by RD. So that's going to be V1. Now if you look at V2, it's following the same path, because V2 to ground, so we can take the same direction. So V2 is going to be what? ID times the resistance here is RD divided by 2. Now let's form a relationship between these two. Now if you rearrange this equation, if you take this negative this side, negative V1 is going to be ID RD, and if you look at the second equation, V2 is equal to ID RD divided by 2. ID RD is what? Negative V1. So V2 is equal to negative V1 divided by 2. Therefore, V1 can be written as negative 2V2. So the correct answer here is D. So this is the correct answer for this question. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.